Do you know you can actually track your orders on Temu app? Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to track your orders on Temu app. The first thing you have to do is to log into your Temu app. The next thing is to log into your Temu account. Click on the U option found at the bottom of your screen. Click on your orders. The next thing you have to do is to click on self-service to find orders. So right here, there are different ways we can be able to track our order. You can track your order by typing in your phone number that you use to place the order, or you can type in the email address you use for placing your order, or order ID. Just click on it and type in the order ID for that particular order, or you can also type in the payment information for that particular order. Automatically, Temu app is going to track your order and give you the detailed information about it. So guys, I hope with this you will be able to track your order on Temu. If this video was helpful, do out to like, comment, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.